All right, great graphic designers. I welcome you to today's class, and I hope you guys have been watching my videos, practicing and learning a lot of design skills. Yes, if you're just joining us for the first time, I will like you to subscribe to my channel, click the like buttons, and also press the notification button. And the reason is that when I drop my video, the system will notify you of a new stuff. So, guys, today is another day, and we shall be learning about another um another thing which is called fonts and typography. Font and typography. And this is another aspect that you need to know as a graphic designer. You need to know how to make use of your font. You need to know when to make use of your font. There are different designs that that you'll be making. And at the same time, there are fonts that are being used specifically for such design. We have corporate designs, we have normal designs, we have church designs, we have club designs, we have posters design, and so on and so forth. And if you don't know how to use all these fonts accordingly, you might be missing it, or your design might not really come out as fantastic as you want. And now I'll be teaching you how to use major fonts. Is it corporate font? Is it a smart font? Is it a straight font, italic font, or what is it called? Calligraphy font. All these fonts are available for you, and I'll be telling you where to get good fonts in the course of this class. I'll be telling you that how to get fonts and also how to install them in your computer system. So, guys, I want you to follow me to the next class as I'll be teaching out how to do all these things in this class. See you there. I'll just be teaching you how to get some good fonts and, how to install them into your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google search, or I don't know whichever browser you are using. You click on it. I use Firefox and I also use Google Chrome. So, and I believe we are all familiar with Google Chrome. So click on Google Chrome. So once it pops up, you search for corporate fonts. Corporate fonts. Okay. Click on it. Click on it. Then you click on 1001 fonts. Now don't just rely on my teaching alone. You can do a self-teaching. For instance, we have so many fonts that you can copy from here. But as your coach, I would also advise you to start with this first. Click on 1001 fonts. So once you click on it, you hold on for a while. Now that it has popped up, you can see different types of fonts here. You can see them, different type of fonts that you can use. And if you are not okay with all these fonts, you can also click on next. Then you have other fonts. You have other fonts. If you don't like this, you click on next. Then you check. You check. If you don't want to, you click on next. These are how to see fonts. How to search for fonts. And this is very easy for you to do. First, you type on corporate fonts on your search button. Then once you get to that site, then you click on 1001 fonts. So once you get there, you have several fonts that you can really work on. So how do you now download your fonts? You can simply download your fonts. For instance, let me check for a font that I don't really have. Okay. Let me say, this is the name of the font I want to download. Britain fonts. Or let's go again. I usually like this kind of fonts, and I will advise you guys, start getting this kind of fonts into your system. Get them. They are very, very good fonts, and you can use it for any design. So I'm downloading Morgan's fonts. So you come here, you come to this direction and click download. So you watch how it downloads. Then you click on download, a download button here. Some can be at the top and some can be at the bottom. Please just take note of that. Mine is at the top. So once I click on it, it comes out. Then I click on the name of the font in a zip folder. So this is it. And we have some fonts that follow this. So just watch out for this. Look at the name of the font. Know the name of the font. Then you click on it. Once you double click on it, you then click install. Look at it. It's the side print button. Click install. And that is all. Once you install it, then go back to your CorelDRAW. What is the name of the font? Let's go back again. We have Morgans. Go back to your CorelDRAW. Then type whatever name. Diamond. Okay? Then look at the name here. Look at the name of the font here. It's always at your property toolbar. Then search for Morgans. Then you click. It has entered your computer. The font is now in your computer. So, guys, this is how to download a font, install it into your system, and start making use of it. So, if you want to download more, you go back, search for more. Search for more. I love this one. So this is Collegio regular. Collegio regular. Click on download. Come to get download. Locate your download button. Click on the zip file. Then look at it. It has two layer of font. It could be bold and italics. Then double click on it. The first one. Install. Close. Double click on the second one. Install. Close. And please note this. This is not the font file. This is a file, another file entirely, which is not applicable or is not necessary for what we are doing here. So once you are done, you come to look for another font that you like. Search for it. Search for it. Then you click, and this is another font. What is the name? Christmas gift. Download. Click on the zip file. Double click on the name of the font. This is Quartz. This is Quartz. I think something is wrong here. Okay, this is Quartz. Then you go to your CorelDRAW file. Then search for it. Wow. What is it? You have successfully downloaded the font into your system. So guys, before we go for today's class, I would like you to go back to this one. Kindly install this font into your system. Stalefish. Download it and install. They are good fonts. Also, Kenya Coffee. Download it into your system. They are very good fonts. You can use it for anything, any design at all. Then download this Lihateja font. Lihateja. Download it. Download this font. Resinberg. Download it. Download this very good font too. Dodgelander. Download it. You will always see all these fonts in every of my designs. So class, I say happy weekend to you, and you shall see in my next class. Bye.